the basic concept, history and scope of AI. One is supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Dear students, welcome to computer science classes. I am Ravi Kumar KR, lecturer in computer science, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Students, in this session, let me brief you about the syllabus of BCA course of 5th semester. Subject is Fundamentals of AI or Artificial Intelligence, prescribed by the University of Mysuru. Let us start with the learning outcome. Means at the end of this course, the students must be in a position to answer all the things, or he might be aware of this concept, that is the basic concept, history and scope of AI and intelligent agent. What he must be in a position to explain or describe what are intelligent agents and structure and types of agents. Then searching algorithm or search techniques and understanding machine learning fundamentals, including supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning concepts. Next one is gain the knowledge of representation technique, logical based representation and expert systems, and demonstrate basic usage of AI tools for simple real-world application. See, these are the things the student must be aware of at the end of the course. Let us start with the syllabus. Here, entire syllabus is divided into 4 units. Unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. In Unit 1, it is Introduction to AI. So, we are going to learn the definition of AI, scope, importance and history or evolution of AI system, that is artificial intelligence. Next one is overview of AI systems, means AI applications in real world examples like healthcare, education, banking, and also we are going to learn the difference between AI versus human intelligence. This is the second chapter. And next one is types of AI, this narrow AI and general AI. And also we are going to learn ethics and challenges in AI. So in Unit 1, it is just introduction. We are going to learn the basic concepts of artificial intelligence. And in Unit 2, we are going to talk about intelligent agent. The chapter is intelligent agents. So here we are going to learn the definition, structure of agent and different types of agent like simplex or simple, reflex and model-based agent, goal-based agent, utility-based agents. These are all different types of agents in AI. Next one is problem-solving techniques, problem formulation and state space representation. That is the next concept. Next one is searching techniques or search techniques. We are going to learn BFS, it is algorithm, breadth first search algorithm, depth first search algorithm, and again we have under informed search, we have best first search, A star algorithm and heuristic in AI, constraint satisfaction problem. See, these are all in second unit. We are going to talk about intelligent agents, types and structure. In Unit 3, it is machine learning overview. And under this concept, we are going to learn types of machine learning technique. One is supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. These are all different learning technique, machine learning techniques or algorithms. Next one is machine learning concept, then training, testing, validation, classification and clustering. Again, under knowledge representation, we are going to learn logic-based representation and propositional and predicate logic. these are the different logics to represent knowledge representation. Next one is rule-based system and expert system chaining. See, these are the topics to be covered in Unit 3. In Unit 4, we are going to talk about deep learning. What is deep learning and what are the concept of deep learning and basic neural network. It is introduction neural network. How do we have an computer network? It is neural networks. And again, types of deep learning models, deep learning applications, and again, AI tools introduction, just like ChatGPT, DALL-E, Canva AI, and others. See, these are the topics to be covered in Unit 4. In the next slide, let me explain the question paper pattern. So, this paper is of 80 marks total. This theory paper 80 marks. So, out of 80 marks, we have 60 marks part A. Here, each unit carry 15 marks, and so in each unit you will get one questions. And again, there are sub questions within Unit 1, and the questions are divided into two questions. One is for 7 marks or 8 marks. So that is for 15 marks in one unit. So there are 4 units, 60 marks question, and remaining 20 marks. Part B, this is 2 marks question. You're supposed to answer any 10. So it is 20 marks. Your theory paper is for 80 marks. Next, when it comes to internals, here we are going to have 2 internal. It is for 40 marks, internal 1 and internal 2. And also your 40 marks internal includes marks from internal 1, marks from internal 2, and also Viva, assignment, seminars, and presentation. This is internal for 40 marks. In the next slide, we will see the reference books. So here, these are all different reference book for the subject fundamentals of AI and applications. Dear students, in this session, I briefed you about the syllabus of 5th semester of BCA course prescribed by the University of Mysuru. Thank you very much.